Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you about retinoids or retinol especially. So we are already familiar with this acid skincare. I mean, everyone are using acids nowadays on their faces. Even I'm using hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. So today this is like a series. So today I'm going to discuss about retinoids or retinol in detail. So retinoids is nothing but it's like a group name in which we have all vitamin A derivatives. So retinol also comes under vitamin A derivative, but retinol is a single thing, but retinoid is like a group name in which we have a lot of vitamin A derivatives. Retinol is nothing but it's like a magical skincare product, guys. Like out of all the acids that are present nowadays which we are using on our faces, retinol or retinoids are really great on our skin. If you have dullness, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, everything will be eliminated by using retinol. So now I'm going to share with you all the tips that you have to keep in mind before using retinoid or retinol. So first and the foremost tip is use milder formulation first. Even when I started using these acids on my face, I started with hyaluronic acid. It's actually the mildest one out of all the acids that are present. But when I started using salicylic acid, I literally wanted everything to go out of my nose because I have a lot of blackheads, guys. So when I applied, I literally got my skin is like kind of sensitive. So when I applied it, I got breakouts the next day itself, and I was so scared to use it again. I don't even know the percentage of salicylic acid that I'm using on my face because most of the products don't show the percentage that they are using in the product. So I'm using the serum. I think it has high concentration, because of which my skin broke out like no one's business. So you have to be really careful while purchasing products. Make sure that you know how much percentage is used in the product that you are going to use on your face, and start with milder concentrations first, like 5% or 10% is the minimum thing that you can start on your skin first. Because if you go with 25% or 30% or even 40% at the beginning, your skin is definitely going to break out. So make sure that you start with milder formulations first. You know, when you use higher concentrations first, you are definitely going to see the results like within two to 3 days or even instantly. But what happens is when you use it regularly, it's definitely going to damage your skin. So first start with milder concentrations. You are definitely going to see the results a little bit slowly, but it's definitely going to work on your skin. And once you are okay with these milder concentrations, then you can definitely increase the concentration of the acid in your products. Like you may take a serum which contains 20% and next 30-40. So in that way you can make your skin habituated to that particular acid step by step. Next important step is how much amount you have to apply on your face. So now you have chosen all the products, you bought it, and now you are going to start applying these products on your face. So when you, for example, just say that you are using a serum which contains retinoid. So what you are going to do is you have to wash your face, you have to remove your makeup completely, wash your face and let it dry for at least 4 to 5 minutes. So once you feel that your face is completely dry, then take the serum on your fingers directly and then start applying it from forehead. You have to come from top to bottom of your face, because forehead skin is kind of not that sensitive when compared with other parts of your face. So even if you accidentally take a little more amount of the acid, it's okay, because your forehead is fine. It's not like the most sensitive part on your face. So apply on the forehead, then go to your nose, then go to your cheeks, then chin, and massage it until the product or that acid is completely absorbed into your face. So next, wait at least for 15 to 20 minutes after applying your serum, and then go with your moisturizers or other nighttime skincare routine products, or morning. Even if you don't apply it on morning, guys, I think it's better to include all these acids at your, in your nighttime skincare routine, because some of these will make you sensitive to sun rays. So you have to be really careful. I think it's better to use these acids in your nighttime skincare routine. So once you apply this acid on your face, you literally have to wait at least for 15 minutes After that you can apply the other products, and again make sure that you don't mix and match these acids. For example, if you use retinoid, I think you should not use salicylic acid with it, because these both will irritate your skin. They both should not be combined. So make sure that you are not using any other acids. For hyaluronic acid, you can definitely mix other acids as well, but for retinol, salicylic or glycolic acids, you are not supposed to mix other acids with these things. So if you feel that your skin is super duper hypersensitive, then what you have to do is first apply moisturizer, wait for 30 minutes, and then you can apply this acid serum or else acid toner onto your face. So now third important step is listening to your skin. So yeah, fine, you applied the retinoids on your face. Now you have to see how your skin is reacting to this particular acid. If you feel that your skin is getting irritated or sensitive, then you literally have to stop using that. So what I'm going to say is, first apply it on Sundays and then wait for 1 week. Okay, so you have seen that there is no irritation or no breakouts occurring on your face. Then the next week you apply 2 times a week. After you finish the second week, go to the third week and apply 3 times. So this is called as 1 2 3 rule. I don't know, but yeah, this is really funny. So first you use once in a week, next twice in a week, next thrice in a week, and then you can apply it daily. So depending upon the reaction that you get from your skin. So when you are applying thrice a week, if you feel that your skin is getting irritated or there are breakouts going on which are really high, like for example, we might have that little tingling sensation on our skin, but if you feel that your skin is burning up, then you have to stop using it thrice a week. Again, go back to step 2, like apply only twice in a week, and once you feel that your skin is okay, you can increase the dosage. So that is how you have to apply this on your skin. Now last important thing is, if you feel that retinoids are really very powerful on your skin, and if your skin is really getting irritated by these retinoids, then you can go with vitamin C. Retinoids are really powerful when compared with vitamin C, but again they both have the same usage. Like retinoids are obviously, they are more, I mean we have a lot of benefits by using retinoids, but if you feel that your skin is really sensitive, then you can switch it off with a vitamin C. Again, it's used for age spots, to fight with signs of aging and everything. But again, vitamin C has really very mild effect on your skin. So depending upon your skin's reaction, you can either go with retinoids or vitamin C, but I'll definitely recommend retinoids, because if you really want to have that glowing skin, that flawless skin, and also that you want to remove all those aged things that are going on your face, even the wrinkles and everything, then retinoids are the best. But make sure that you start using with milder formulations. So yes, that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye, sunshines.